So now today we're going to make a very popular Indian street food, and it's called a Bun Samosa over there. Here you can call it a Samosa burger, or you can call it a Samosa Sliders, depending on the size that you're making. Very simple. We have ready-made samosas. We have bun, chutney, onions, tomatoes, butter to kind of fry the bun a little bit. And this is entirely up to you as to what else you want to add, lettuce or jalapeno peppers or mushrooms or whatever else you want to put, you can put it. All the additions that you'd like to put, you can put. We are going to use our samosas, which are available at most places. Let's begin. I'm going to put the samosa bun or the samosa hamburger together. The bun, the samosa. Everybody knows how to do hamburgers or sliders. Put the chutney on, put the samosa, tomato, onion if you like. You can grill them or put them just like that. Lettuce. Again, a lot of this is what you want and you don't know. And here is our bun. It can be broken. So now we're going to put another hamburger together with ketchup this time, because what's a hamburger without ketchup? So here we are as my roasted bun, fried a little bit with butter, and I put the samosa on top. Ketchup. This was one of my favorites when I was a kid. Ketchup on a samosa bun. Tomato. You can use some pickled onions this time. Lettuce, chop, and here is the samosa bun ready. There you are.